Introducing the UPR4 feed crusher from Artmash LLC. Fast, reliable and efficient. It processes any grain, hay, straw, grain husks and other products. Let's check the productivity on wheat. We pour the grain into the hopper and wait for 1 minute. At the result, we get 9.22 kilograms of crushed feed. Therefore, the crusher's productivity is 555 kilograms per hour. The feed crusher is equipped with a rotor with hammers made of Swedish Hardox steel, which is well known for its wear resistance. The hammers have 4 working sides. If the hammer becomes blunt, simply turn it over and continue working as before. The grinding fraction is regulated by interchangeable screens. The set includes 2 screens with holes of 4, 6 or 8 mm. Thanks to the reverse air exhaust system, you can work with minimal dust. The motor is equipped with thermal protection. Additionally, an electronic ammeter is built in to monitor the load. Curious to learn more? Artmash managers will answer all of your questions.